In this video, I'll show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card using an iPhone in 2025. Unlike other features, you can't redeem a gift card directly in the Roblox app. There's no option for it there. Instead, you'll need to use a web browser like Safari or Chrome on your iPhone. First, open your browser and go to www.roblox.com. When the page loads, you'll see an option at the bottom that says Continue in Browser. Tap that, since using the app won't work for gift card redemption. Once you're logged in, look at the upper left corner and tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From there, select Gift Cards. On the Gift Cards page, you'll see options to buy cards, but at the top, there's a tab that says Redeem Card. Tap on that. Now you're on the redemption page. Enter the code from your gift card, whether it's a physical card or a digital one. Each code is unique, so make sure you type it in correctly. After that, tap Redeem. Now your Roblox credit or any included virtual items will be added to your account immediately. And that's how to redeem a Roblox gift card using your iPhone in 2025.